Hey, good morning. It's 7:35 a.m. I'm going to take my son to the bus stop here in about 45 minutes, and I'm going to start my day out making some fresh juiced juice. I call it the grinder for some reason. It's just a juicer. It's an old school juicer. And I'm going to start, and here's what I have. Got parsnip, celery, carrots, 1 sweet potato, cucumber, a Granny Smith apple, 2 pears, and a big old nasty pile of spinach. That's good for the greens. And I never tried before, but the cherries. And then later I'll put a banana in this thing here and pour some of my juice in it and use the hand mixer and grind a banana up in that too. Start off with the spinach. Parsnip, carrots, cucumber. Cucumber smells really good. Never done cherries before. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is really hard, but it grinds up real easy. Celery time. Okay, now apples and pears. Okay, that's it. So here's what I got. 1 big old glass, which I'll drink, and a 32-ounce container. Sorry, the light's not really good. Every single juice looks different based on what you put in there. If you just grind up a whole bag of apples and a whole bag of carrots, you'll get carrot apple juice, which is really good and really sweet. But you got to put in greens and other things. What I showed you there is typically what I put in. Apples and carrots, always. Celery. Apples, carrots, and celery, always. Then got kind of a mix of veggies I keep on the counter. Stuff like that. But greens are really good for you. Collard greens, mustard greens, and spinach. All that chlorophyll is unbelievable for you. Wow, that's good. You can really taste the banana in there. Later, everybody.